Vasudeo S Gaitonde was born in 1924, in Nagpur, India. Died in 2001. He completed his art diploma at Sir J.J. School of Art in 1948, and in 1950 was invited to join the influential Bombay Progressive Artists Group. A quiet man and a painter of the quiet reaches of the imagination, as one of his admirers once called him, defines Gaitonde best, who has the appearance of an intellectual, literally simmering with some unexplored thought. Conceptually, he never considered himself an abstract painter and is averse to be called one. In fact, he asserts that there is no such thing as abstract painting. Instead, he refers to his work as non-objective, a kind of personalized hieroglyphics and calligraphic inventions. Evoking the surface painted on with the most astounding intuitions, which he has realized in his inevitable meeting, in discovering Zen. The meditative Zen quality that transpires his speech, emoting silence, is exemplified in his work best, as silence is eternal and meaningful in itself. From this point one does tend to identify the mysterious motifs, the highly personalized hieroglyphs in Gaitonde's canvases, with the manifestation of intuitions. Invested in there, his work is influenced by Zen philosophy and ancient calligraphy. The S. Gaitonde's painting was sold for $130,000 at a 2005 Oceans Art auction in Mumbai in 2013. One of Gaitonde's untitled paintings sold for $3.3 million. Set a record for an Indian artist at Christie's debut auction in India. He received Padma Shri Award in 1971, Silver Medal of Bombay Art Society in 1950, Bombay Young Asian Artists Award 1957 in Tokyo, Rockefeller Fellowship 1964-65 in USA.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.